Ez's minds.
A for always say please and thank you. Kind words make everyone smile at you. B for brush your teeth morning and night. Keep them clean and shiny white. C for clean your room, keep it neat. A tidy space is such a treat. D for drink your milk strong and sweet. Healthy habits can't be beat. E for exercise, jump and play. Stay active, happy every day. F for finish homework on time. Learning well will help you shine. G for give and share your toys. Sharing brings happy joy. H for help others, big or small. Helping hands are best of all. I for inside voice, calm and kind. Good behavior shows your mind. J for joy in helping every day. Kindness always finds its way. K for keep your hands nice and clean. Soap and water make them gleam. L for listen well when others speak. Good listeners are wise and meek. M for manners at the table seat. Chew politely while you eat. N for never waste the food you get. Be thankful, don't forget. O for obey your parents' advice. They guide you well and make life nice. P for practice being kind and fair. Show your love and always care. Q for quiet when teachers speak. Learning time is what we seek. R for respect everyone you meet. Kind words make life sweet. S for say sorry when you're wrong. Brave hearts fix mistakes lifelong. T for tell the truth, be brave and strong. Honesty helps you belong. U for use the dustbin, keep earth clean. Green and happy is our dream. V for value friends in your team. Friendship shines like a dream. W for wash your hands before you eat. Clean habits can't be beat. X for excellent habits every day. Good behavior leads the way. Y for yawn, cover your mouth tight. Show good manners day and night. C feast, sleep early every night. Wake up fresh and bright.
Ez's minds.